Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And of course, since the holidays are coming, today we will be doing a Christmas stocking by just using 3 materials: scissors, hot glue, and felt fabric. So if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Alright, so these are the materials that we'll be needing. First, of course, is felt fabric. I chose black, yellow, because there's no gold, and white, according to the color theme of our house. So you can definitely change this up into normally red and green and white if you'd like to, or whatever the color theme is for this year. And then also pencil, scissors, glue stick, and glue gun. And that's it. Now let's get started. Alright, so first off is, since this is like an A4 size, like just a regular bond paper size, I wanted to maximize this per sheet. So what I did was did it on a scratch, and then you can definitely do it this way, just like this. So it's like doing a letter L. Same width for this part and this part, but instead of cutting it like straight, put in like a 10-20 degree angle, slightly slanted on this part and this part. And then of course the edges will be able to maximize all the sides for this. So just round this side up and then trace it up here. And that's exactly what we're gonna do with our our pencil, is that. And let's just make sure that's aligned so we can maximize every space in this fabric. So I'm planning to do 6 of these, 2 whites, 2 yellows, and then 2 blacks, alright? If you wouldn't want to use this, you can just cut this out and use this instead. Alright, so that's that. A general stocking shape. Now she's messing up with the ring light. I'm basically going to be doing this again. Put this aside. You can use that for a project later on, and I already have an idea of what I'm gonna do with it. So this is that. Our 3 stockings are white, gold, and black. So what we're just gonna be doing now is like a really simple patterns, okay? Let's say, for example, since we have these pairs as well of scraps, I'm thinking, you know, here, black here, and then yellow here. Alright, that's cool. I like that. And then I'm thinking of what to do: a stripe pattern here, a polka dot in here, and I don't know yet for the other one, but we'll see. We'll come up with something. This is gonna be like the folded part of the boot, of the stocking. So you'll see what I mean. So first things first is, of course, we're gonna be gluing all the sides. Do it one side at a time first. That's not one side. Like this side first, then going up here, here, so you can easily just glue it right here. Alright, that's that. Now let's do the same for the white and yellow. Alright, so next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting the edges, these extra edges, off of these extras that we have. You can just wing it and then just use the same measurements that we have for this and the other colors. So that's that. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to be folding it inside, but leaving a space on the side. Just like this, like half a centimeter, I guess. Do that. So we're going to be gluing this in. And of course, to make it look thicker, we're also going to be folding these sides. Alright, so it's going to go something like this. And do the same thing for this one. Now, you can put this over. Just like that. So you can glue it under here. Now that you glue that in, we still have an opening right here. Let's just secure this part a bit. Press it down. Press it down like really hard, especially for these corners. Now we'll be gluing this over here. Ow. Always happens, never learned. So now we're just going to be gluing these sides, and then from here up to here. Then for added security, you can glue this part. Twist it in. But not too hard, just to close that opening. Just like filling in the gap. Alright, so we're done with the first one. We're just going to be repeating the same exact steps for these two. And that's it. Yay! We're almost done. Well, you could be done if you'd like to. You can just leave it like this. Just really plain and simple with all the openings in there. Now, of course, as for me, I would like to design this some more. So, I'm going to be getting, again, the leftover felt fabric that we have. And I'm going to get one of each. And we'll basically do a stripe pattern as well as a polka dot. So let's see. What I'm gonna do to create the stripe pattern is I'm gonna be tracing this. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And of course, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, MabMab. You know, have a good one. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. You take care. Bye-bye. Just so you know, how I'm sitting right now is very uncomfortable because of this baby right here who decided to sit on my chair. Damn, that's sweet.